Hey, what is up, guys? I am Hammer, and well, there's this river or a little stream that flows to the back of our house. Oh my god! But it's a little stream. It's only about 6 inches deep. You know, usual kind of thing. But it had a really bad rainstorm, and now it's like 10 feet. It could be over, it's like over my head. If I was standing in the water, it would be freaking over my head. And it's already making little whirlpools in the water. I tell you, this is awesome. I freaking love it. I hate it in some way. But this is like super cool. I would do this on my GoPro. I can go underwater, but I don't. It's so hard to use. I probably will try and do something with it. Just not right now. Yeah. This right here, okay, it only was like 5 feet across from the bank, okay? 5 feet across. Right now, it's like 25 feet across from the bank. From like here to there. Almost looks like I'm in the Amazon. But this is my house. From back through here and then down to here. This is where me and my friends have been did the leopard, and we have done airsoft battles back here, and where we did some of the Jason, Freddy Krueger, Candyman stuff. Yeah, basically this is the place. But man, that would have been cool. And I want to jump in there now. I really do. Talk to you guys later.